How to allow or restrict screen recording in Game Center on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, we tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, we go down, and from here, tap on Screen Time. After that, scroll down, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. And then we tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Then we go down and then tap on Screen Recording. From the list, you can choose Allow. And if you have set a screen time passcode, enter the screen time passcode. After that, you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.